My voice teacher, her name is Marianne Cook. I have one-on-one time with her every week. I can go into her office whenever I want. I can call her faculty phone number and she's right there ready to talk with me. I'm getting all the experience I need here at the school, singing, dancing, acting. My freshman year I was in Rent, the musical. This year I was in the last days of Judas Iscariot ensemble. And right now I'm in See What I Want to See as Lily. And it's been the biggest challenge working with the music, and it's gotten me to broaden my horizon in the way I am as an actress. It's gotten me to do different things, be serious, be sexy, be, someone I'm not.
Coming to Rider, I more was geared towards the athletic type. That's why I primarily involved myself in intramurals right away. But then I had an advisor actually approach me and ask me what other organizations I was involved in on campus. He kind of gave me a little list of what was offered here and asked me to come out for a general board meeting for the Student Entertainment Council. And I jumped at the chance to kind of see what they're all about, kind of get involved. And this year I actually was elected president for the coming academic year, so I could put my direct input into the programs, and something that I'm very passionate about at this point because I get to see now along how the events come together and how I get to meet so many great people, so many artists. It also provides opportunities outside the school. Research
in the sciences at Rider is what we do, and to get students to actually experience a research project is critically important. We really stress that. I would say every year in our department we probably have a half dozen or more students working on research projects, some of which leads to publications. The best way to learn science is to do science. It's as simple as that.
We really encourage you to start from day one, getting involved in the TV studio, going out and shooting, doing some editing, and really getting involved in production. I had a student recently who co-produced a film with me, and we produced this film about a civil rights photojournalist. This film was shown at Morehouse College, which is where Dr. King went to school. The fact that we're picking folks for internships or independent studies that we know, and we know the quality of their work, I think really speaks to how closely we pay attention to students and what they do here.
I was very interested in television, so I took up a television major with a dance minor. I'm taking writing for broadcast, persuasive writing for the media, audio production, television production. I was recently in one of the dance concerts here on campus, and I actually made a promotional video for the concert here at the TV studio. And I put together both a news package and a commercial for my dance show. And that way I'm combining both of my interests and creating something of my own.